with 17 years of development, reach fixed assets 100 million RMB and occupy 150,000 square meters land, as well as production capacity of 36,000 sets and employees of 700. Dukes is an Italian company registered sole proprietorship company, which is mainly focused on overseas market professional brand in the Europe refrigerator market. Dukes Company adopts Italy advanced refrigerator manufacturing lines, full automatic refrigerator evaporation line, aluminum plate oxidization line, inner grooved copper tube production line, and so on. It not only improves the production's high-tech